For busy professionals, athletes, and parents, meal replacement shakes can be a convenient way to lose weight without compromising on the nutritional value of your meal. They are a great way to get the essential nutrients your body needs without spending hours preparing and cooking meals. They can also help you control your caloric intake and give you a boost of energy throughout the day. Whether you're an athlete looking to fuel your performance, or someone looking for an easy way to lose weight, these shakes contain a balanced mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and other essential nutrients to provide you with everything your body needs. We've scoured the internet to find the top-rated meal replacement shakes of 2023 to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. Number 1. Soylent Meal Replacement Shake. The Soylent Meal Replacement Shake is the perfect solution for people looking for a nutritious and delicious replacement meal. This pack comes with 12 14-ounce bottles, with 6 delicious flavors to choose from. Each shake is packed with 28 vitamins and minerals, a dose of omega-3 fatty acids to boost brain health, and BCAAs to help your body build muscle protein and create energy. Not only that, but it's also gluten-free, dairy-free, and nut-free. This meal replacement shake makes a great post-workout snack or meal replacement on the go, allowing you to enjoy complete nutrition anytime, anywhere. With its convenient and tasty choices, you'll surely find the flavor that works for you without committing to only one option. Each shake is low in calories but high in nutritional value, making it the top choice. Number 2. Orgain Meal Replacement Shake. Are you looking for a nutritious meal alternative? Look no further than the Orgain Meal Replacement Shake. It's a convenient, healthy meal replacement option perfect for those on the go. With 12 shakes per package, you're all set for the week. Each shake contains organic whey protein and organic grass-fed milk protein concentrate, 20 vitamins and minerals, 10 fruits and vegetables like acai, spinach, and kale, and 250 calories to keep you going strong. On top of that, this shake is also USDA organic, gluten-free, vegetarian, kosher, non-GMO, soy-free, and carrageenan-free. Not only does it provide 20 essential vitamins and minerals, but it's also free from artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. This makes it a great choice for those looking for a natural meal replacement option without unwanted additives. It's also an ideal pre- or post-workout shake for those needing an energy boost or quickly recovering from a workout. Number 3. LyfeFuel Meal Replacement Shake. The LyfeFuel Meal Replacement Shake is an all-in-one plant-based nutrition shake, smoothie powder, and organic greens superfood. It includes a complete vegan protein and 50 whole food nutrients all in one vanilla-flavored product. Keto, low-carb, and soy-free, it is a great alternative for those looking for healthy and tasty nutrition options. It is easily digestible, sustainable, and low in bloating effects. Plant-based whole foods are packed into this nutritionally complete superfood shake mix, which includes 27 essential vitamins and minerals. These ingredients are all non-GMO, keto, gluten, and soy-free and have no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. The high protein content of 18 grams makes this the perfect meal replacement to help curb hunger and control cravings. The powder can be blended with your favorite plant-based milk or water to create a delicious breakfast smoothie or provide a convenient snack on the go. It can even be used as a base to boost recipes such as pancakes, protein balls, and snack bites. Number 4. Garden of Life Meal Replacement Shake. With its rich flavor in a convenient package, the Garden of Life Meal Replacement Shake is an excellent choice for those looking to meet their dieting goals. Loaded with complete plant-based protein, fiber, and only 150 calories per serving, it's sure to leave you feeling satisfied and energized. Plus, it's gluten-free and contains no sugar, so you can rest easy knowing that you're consuming a healthy drink. You won't skimp on flavor with this meal replacement shake either because it's been designed with taste in mind. This shake also contains digestive enzymes like lipase, lactase, and papain to help with digestion. It also has live probiotics, including Bacillus subtilis, to help you get the most out of your meal replacement. Not only that, but all of these components have been made at low temperatures, ensuring that the quality and nutrition are not compromised during production. Number 5. SlimFast Meal Replacement Shake. The SlimFast Meal Replacement Shake is a great choice for those looking for an easy-to-take-along, convenient, and satisfying meal on the go. With enough protein content in each bottle, this shake provides robust nutrition in a delicious, rich flavor without the hassle of adding artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners. The shake has fiber to help promote better digestion and curb hunger and 24 essential vitamins and minerals to give you the energy and nourishment your body needs. This meal replacement shake is suitable for those with gluten sensitivity due to its gluten-free status and for those with lactose intolerance. It is 99.8% lactose-free. Its hearty yet indulgent texture satisfies sugar cravings while providing plenty of nutrition. Each shake takes the guesswork out of dieting and helps you stay on track with your goals, wherever your busy schedule takes you.